So tell me, was it, how windy was it out there today?
30 knots.
30 knots?
30 knots.
And you did quite well to finish in front of the 60s.
It was 40 knots.
The feeling was 40 knots. Looks like you won the race today, the cat sailing race. Blowing a little bit out there?
It certainly is. That was the windiest I've ever been on a Hobie 60.